Hey guys, I wanted to show you a model I was working on. Built a little while ago actually. I had this kit kicking around for a bit. It was just kind of half a kit that I got that was already made and half broken. And the truck always had a really short wheelbase and looked kind of funny. I tried making it a tow truck and trying different boxes and stuff, but it all looked kind of weird. So I was watching Bad Chad one day and I seen this. So I decided this was the best thing to build out of my truck. I added this 18-wheeler bumper on the back here and put a set of Cadillac tail lights in there. This little fuel tank here was just square, but I seen on Chad's truck it was like this, so I cut the corner out and flipped it and glued it back in. This was the closest color I could get to the one in the video, and I didn't have the right front bumper or headlight, so I just used bumper out of a tow truck kit and some 39 Chev headlights. I just made the wooden box out of just a piece of lumber I had here, and I just ripped these boards off in the table saw. This little tab on the frame is where the front of the spring hanger used to be. I just moved the diff back as far as I could so it didn't look so weird. And I got a pillowcase piece for the canvas.